Hello my YouTube friends. Today's video is entitled Happiness and Organization. Did you know that organization can lead to happiness? Did you know that being tidy and organized can help you feel less depressed? I'm not saying that it's going to take care of clinical depression, but I am saying that it will make you feel better. Did you know that people sleep better when their house is tidy and clean? And the whole goal of the FlyLady system is to have an organized home and a clean home, but it's not the focus of the FlyLady system. The focus is to create this streamlined environment so your family can enjoy living in it and you can enjoy being with your family, which makes everyone happier. Children crave your attention. Your husband wants your attention. You want their attention. So when you have time to be with each other, you can give each other the proper attention, which leads to happiness. So organization is where you start. I don't want you doing this all day long, every day. That is not the FlyLady system. I want you to do your routines as they come up in the morning, after lunch. You have to do your routine. You have to do your clutter checks during the day. You need to keep your laundry up. You can get that done in the morning, hopefully. Your after dinner routine, your before bed routine. These routines have to happen every day. Another little clutter check just to make sure there's no clutter on your floors or on your countertops or whatever. You want to get that picked up. And then the cleaning part doesn't happen until you've organized, because you can't deep clean unorganized spaces. It's too difficult. You're going to do a weekly home blessing hour in your basic weekly plan, which is weekly home blessing hour, which means you're blessing, you're not deep cleaning your home. And then you've got a free day if you're an at-home homemaker. You've got a planning and desk day. That's organizing your thoughts, getting your plan out there so that you know what you're doing every day, so that you look at your planner and you say, today I just have to do this. I don't have to do this, all this stuff on my big list. I just have to do this today. So your planner, where you know what you're doing, what zone you're in for 15 minutes to declutter. That's it. I know you think that's crazy, but you have to trust me. It's the hare and the tortoise. The tortoise wins. Slow but steady wins the race. The dripping of water wears away stone. You need to go slow. Not poke through your 15 minutes, but not spend hours doing things where you get so involved that you are overwhelmed and then you don't want to do it anymore and you just sit on the couch or you freeze up. So we're just doing 15 minutes and you have to pre-plan it so that you don't get into the place you're going to declutter and get frozen. You have to say, okay, I'm going to sit down and plan this. I'm going to work in my bathroom this week and it's really a mess. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean the tub. I'm cleaning the sink and the toilet every day, micro cleaning it with my swish and swipe, so that's good. But I need to get that tub clean. And then for 15 minutes I can work on that tub one day. And then the other 3 days of the week I'm going to do decluttering under the sink. I'm really getting rid of stuff and making room so that then I can declutter the countertops. But you know what? If you don't finish that in this 1 week of decluttering in zone 3, where you have 4 15-minute units, if you're a payroll homemaker, you would do this 1 hour on Saturday. But you might not finish your bathroom. That is not the end of the world. The end of the world is if you go in that bathroom and you declutter it, and then you don't care for it. You declutter it, but you don't care for it. You don't clutter check it. So you just let it happen, that things sling all over the place. Then you come back the next month and go, what's the use? You have to take care by doing clutter checks in a place that you have decluttered. That means you need to look at it several times a day. Kids, come here. You left your towels on the floor. Please hang them on the hook that I gave you. Yours is the purple towel. Yours is the teal towel. Hang them right there. Good job. Now, put this little stool back over here by the sink where I told you to keep it. And don't mess up this rug like this. That's unnecessary. Straighten up the rug. Little things. It doesn't mean you're being mean. You're being firm. Kids need to understand that there's a certain protocol in your house, that there's a certain way you want things done. It doesn't have to be ridiculous, but you know, in basic terms, we want the towels off the floor and the rug not balled up. Okay, and maybe not the step stool in the middle of the bathroom. I'm just giving examples You may not even have kids. You may have dogs or cats that tear up your toilet paper. Do something to prevent that. Shut the door. Or if your cat's litter box is in there, then do something where they can't reach your toilet paper if they're tearing it up every day. You have to be proactive. You have to care for the spaces that you've just taken care of. Okay? I know that's a little crazy sounding, but some people this may really apply to. And if it does, then you know what I'm talking about. All right, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to organize for happiness. And it requires that you care for things after you organize them. And it happens in little bits. So let's say you just got under the sink, but the countertop's still a mess. You're just going to live with that countertop the next month. You're going to make sure that no additional mess goes on the countertop. But you're going to kind of live with that. Get some ideas every time you're in there. You know what I think I'm going to do? You have little things going in your head. Maybe you can put it on your to-do list. And then the next month when you're working in this bathroom, you're still going to have to clean the tub because it gets dirty again. And you're going to be doing your basic weekly plan to keep it looking good. The floors are mopped, the toilet's clean, the sink is clean. Every now and then you might want to do a deep clean of your toilet for the little cracks and crevices. But in general, it's pretty clean. So let's say that it's the next month. Don't worry about the cracks and crevices yet. We're not deep cleaning. But we still have the countertop to work on. So we're going to work on the countertop. And let's say it takes 2 days, 2 15-minute units to clean it off. But you've been thinking about it and you think, I'm going to put these hair ties in a little container. I'm going to put the toothpaste and the toothbrushes here. And you've already got this idea of what you're going to do. There doesn't need to be any library books in this bathroom. Maybe some magazines in a little magazine rack or whatever. You know what I'm saying. I've got way too many cosmetics out. I need to downsize these. I don't even use most of these things. Okay, so the next time you go in there, you're going to have some ideas and you're going to get to work. Throw away, put away, give away. And you've got room under the sink. Or maybe you need to clean out the drawers too. So drawers first, always hidden places first, so that when you go to the places that are obvious, then they'll have places to go. You'll have a place for your toothbrushes and toothpaste. You have a place for your cosmetics, your skincare, your body care. There'll be places for it. And you don't need 4,000 bottles of lotion. You know, maybe you just really like this 1 or 2 bottles that you use, different kinds. Maybe you have something for your feet, something for your body, something for your face. That's fine. Maybe you have 2 for your face, 1 in the morning, 1 at night. That's fine. But you don't need 20 creams or lotions. Okay? You know what you need. Really size down. It's going to be better. You're going to have fresher products to use, and you're going to be in control, and you're going to feel happier because it's tidy. And when you walk out of that bathroom on that last time, the end of that second month, that second week that you've worked in your bathroom, you're going to feel so good that when you walk in there every time and you open up your cosmetic drawer, you're going to go, yes. And you're going to clean your brushes every now and then. You're going to take better care of yourself and your things. And then the next time you go in there, you can deep clean that toilet, get the cracks and crevices around the sink. You know, there's things you can do that are deep clean that you can't do when there's clutter everywhere. Okay, that's just the example with the bathroom. The same situation happens in the kitchen, in the living room, in your master bedroom, in the children's room, in the laundry room, in the garage, in the dining room. Always start with hidden clutter first. Organize that. Take your time. Again, that means 15 minutes, not puttering around with that 15 minutes. 15 good strong minutes of getting it done, but then that's it. So it's going to take time. I shouldn't say take your time. It's going to take time. But this little bit of time over and over again is going to create a wonderful habit in you. And that habit is that you never have to work hard, but you'll always work regularly. That's how you keep your home in great shape. And at some point, you're going to have a sparkling clean home that's well organized. It will never ever be 100% organized if there's family living in it, especially little children. You're constantly going to have to pick up toys, but it's going to be a whole lot better, especially if you downsize toys and children's clothes. I'm not saying that your poor little children won't have anything to play with or anything to wear, but you need to downsize if they've got too much, and you'll know if there's just too much. That's why there's always a mess. Okay, that's it for today. I hope that you are happy because you're getting organized. I hope that you remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.